In this video, I will show you how to install a WordPress plugin manually in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to the cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. Next, click on the File Manager option. Inside File Manager, open the public HTML directory. This is where all your WordPress websites are stored. I have multiple websites here. Now I will choose the website where I want to install the plugin. Next, open the WP content folder. Inside that, open the plugins folder. Now we need to upload the plugin from our computer. Click on the Upload option and select your plugin's zip file. Once the plugin is uploaded, we need to extract it. Right-click on the zip file, then click on the Extract option. Now the plugin files are extracted successfully. You can delete the zip file to save space. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. Open the Plugin section. Here you will see the plugin we just installed. Click on Activate to start using it. And that's it. This is how you can install a WordPress plugin in GoDaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.